Hello and welcome to Veronika Hug. Today we're going to be making house shoes. They're going to be very simple to do, but they're going to look wonderful in the end. So you can see here what it looks like if you were wearing it, and it's still going to be a very simple project to do. Okay, so there we go. This is what it looks like basically. So it looks weird, but when you put it on, it does look like a house shoe. So the shoe that I'm holding here is for a European size 38 or 39. So that would be US size 8 or UK size 6. And for that, I started with 48 stitches. My needle size is 3 millimeters, and I used the charity wool from Woolly Hugs. You can wash it at 40 degrees Celsius in the washing machine, and it's 50 grams, 100 meters, 75% wool, 15% polyamide, and 10% polyolactid. So this is also perfect for baby clothes and baby toys. So as I said, you can wash it at 40 degrees Celsius, which is really practical. Also, it's called charity because a part of every sold wool goes to a charity in my region. So in the video, I'm also going to show you how you can do the house shoe, and it should suffice if you have one ball of each color that you want. So we're going to start with 48 chains. In this video, I'm going to do just 28, just so you can see the gist of it and that the video isn't too long in the end. So I'm just going to show you how to do these shortened rows, but it's going to be the same thing regardless of the number of stitches. So let's do 28 chains. And make sure that you have enough thread on the other side. So just leave like 30-40 centimeters of length before you start the stitches. This section we want to connect in the end. So let's get started. Eight more. There we go. So you would need 48 if you did the size that I mentioned. Okay, so now we're going to do knit stitches in this first row. So the edge stitch I always just transfer to my working needle, and the rest I do knitwise. So this is the back row, so to speak, so that's what we're doing, just knit stitches. Then we're gonna turn, and now the first 6 stitches we're gonna do in the following way. So transfer the edge stitch first, then we're just gonna do knit stitches for the next 6 ones, and now we're gonna start with the decorative color, so the other color. And now I'm basically using this color, this thread, and I'm doing this until I get to 6 stitches before the end. And this is the same for every size of the shoe. Then we're going to turn, and for the shortened row, we're going to take a yarn over onto our right needle, and now we're going to do a knit stitch there. So pull a little bit to have more room, and then we're going to do knit stitches till the end. So now we have the shortened row again in the original color. So for that, we're just leaving the thread, the yellow thread here, and then I'm taking the orange thread, I'm turning the work like this, and then I'm taking a yarn over of my original color, and I'm doing, again, knit stitches till I get back. And here I'm gonna do the first or the 2 stitches in different colors together knitwise. And then again, knit stitches till the end. Here is one rib and on the other side as well. So let's turn and we can go back. We're doing all stitches knitwise. This is the back row. Here is the yarn over, so I'm gonna do it with the following stitch together, knitwise again. This is what we have for now. And I'm going to show you the same thing one more time, but you already know what to do, so this is just repeating itself. So we're doing the edge stitch and 5 knit stitches. Then we put the thread up to the left side, we take our other color, so it should, they should cross in the back. And now we're doing knit stitches with the other color. And then 6 stitches before the end, we turn, do a yarn over with the working thread, and we do a knit stitch then, and continue with knit stitches till we get to the other end. Put the thread to the left, take the original color, in my case orange, turn, and then yarn over again. There we go. And we continue with knit stitches then again. And here again, these 2 stitches together knitwise. So always the 2 different colors, that's how you're gonna know where you need to do it. and then again knit stitches till the very end. And this row is very relaxed, so we're just doing knit stitches. This is the easiest row of all. Here is the yarn over that I'm going to do with the next stitch together, and then we finish off the row. And now we can continue till the end of the row, or till the next row. So you see here I have 3 ribs on the one side, on the left here, and 3 ribs on the right as well, and in between we have the 2 stripes now. So you just basically keep repeating this for your project. So you see the 4 rows is what you repeat until you reach the size that you want. So again, transfer the edge stitch 5 knit stitches with it. And we need the yellow stitch, the yellow thread. And just make sure that they cross in the back, the 2 threads. That way you're going to get a neat result in the end. Yarn over, knit stitch, and we just continue that way, this time in yellow. Then we should have just a couple stitches left in the orange. So now here we're going to put the yellow to the left, so cross it again, turn, and then we're going to do the same thing with the orange. So yarn over and continue with knit stitches. There we go. So as you can see, this time we just continued. We did the 2 together, but we do the whole row in knit stitches. And then we do another row in knit stitches. So as you can see, this is a very simple project, and you're practicing your knit stitches a lot. Almost done. Here, just make sure that you do the yarn over together with the next stitch, and we can end the row then. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you the whole thing when I've finished it. So this is what you get, basically a rectangular shape here. And then I cast off the stitches as well, so just like you would usually do with any other knitting project as well. '23, 24. So I have 24 of the yellow stripes, which means that we did 48 ribs total, or 96 rows. So now we're going to put it together. So all that we need is basically to connect the sides so that it actually has a shoe shape. So here I cast the stitches off, so that would be our next step. And you can see what it looks like now. So I'm going to fold it in half like this. so that the orange section, the orange only section, overlaps. And then I'm gonna use the beginning and the end thread. So just like I said, we left a little bit of length on the beginning and at the end as well. And what we're gonna do is just connect the stitches on the one side and the other. So if you've seen my videos before, then you already know that I don't really like weaving in as an extra step, which means that I try to do it with other necessary steps so that I can spare some time. So I'm basically going through the outer sections of each of the stitches on both sides. That way you're gonna have a neat stitch on the outside and nothing weird going on the inside either. So I'm gonna do a couple of stitches so that you can see as well, but it's pretty easy. And this way we're also gonna deal with the weaving in, so we're not gonna have two separate steps for that. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. And let me show you on the other piece that I already finished. When you're done with the stitch, it's gonna look really neat on the outside. It's not gonna stand out at all. And that's pretty much when your house shoe is done. So I have here a model, just so you can see what it looks like when you wear it. But this is what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to shoot me a thumbs up to let me know you did. You can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching, Veronika. Hug. The comment section is also open below. And make sure to not forget the notification bell to stay notified every time I have a new project. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.